This video demonstrates how to generate a composite image from individual satellite image bands. We have loaded 8 Sentinel-2 image bands. Now we are going to create a composite image from these bands. To create a composite image, go to Analysis tab, click on Tools, and then search for Composite Bands. Click on the Composite Bands Geoprocessing tool. Next, add each band one by one in Input Raster section. Under the Output Raster section, you have the option to rename your output file, but for this tutorial we will use the default name. Finally, click on the Run button to generate the composite image. The composite image has been generated. To view it in true color, change the symbology and assign the RGB bands. Band 4 for red, band 3 for green, and band 2 for blue. You can adjust the stretch type to improve the visualization of the image. Let's select standard deviation. If we turn off the world imagery, we can see that the composite image looks nice. Thanks for watching.